Hey everybody, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I'm Dr. Rheeda Walker, and I am the author of the wildly popular The Unapologetic Guide to Black Mental Health. I'm also a professor of psychology at a research-intensive institution. So in addition to publishing psychological studies, I'm responsible in part for training the next generation of clinical psychologists. Now, where I got started with my YouTube channel is trying to help those who were aspiring clinical psychologists find ways or understand the ways to get admission to some of these competitive PhD programs. But more recently, I've been thinking about how I can be more helpful to the community, just given all of our really stressful circumstances. My book came out in the middle of a pandemic and just a few weeks before the senseless death of George Floyd. And what I realized is that because there are so many of us who don't understand mental health and don't understand the impact of racial trauma, that I could be a helpful voice in that conversation. So if you're interested in learning more and understanding more about emotional health and psychological health in a way that makes sense and in a way that also speaks very importantly to the unique needs of people who've been traumatized and marginalized in our society for generations, and maybe with a side of sister girl wit, then subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.